A sphinx moth caterpillar is plump full of water. It's nature's own protein shake. But they're barely an appetizer. She needs a main course. A roadrunner. But everyone knows it's tough for a coyote to catch a roadrunner. The energy it takes for the chase versus the odds of success. Just not worth it. She knows where to find better odds. Side-blotch lizards are in here somewhere, hiding from the heat of the day. If her timing's off, they dart into the narrowest crack. But there's a lot of them out here. Sooner or later, she's bound to catch one off guard.